In this tutorial, I will show you eyedropper tool in Adobe Illustrator. So let's dive into this. I have drawn 4 circles here to demonstrate this eyedropper tool, which is located here. You can see eyedropper tool, which keyboard shortcut is I. Copy and apply appearance attributes between objects, between two objects. So this is eyedropper tool, shortcut is I. I am accessing it, eyedropper tool. So as usually, I am now selecting this. You need to select shape or object first. I am holding down Ctrl and click this to select this. So when I am clicked here, all the appearance attributes will be transferred to this image as this is selected. So I am clicking here. You can see it will capture its stroke, fill, all the attributes from this image to this image. I am undoing it. If you hold down Shift from the keyboard and click, you can see it only copied fill from this shape. So I am undoing it. Also I am selected this shape and pressing Alt from keyboard. You can see when I pressing Alt, the eyedropper tool was in different directions. So I am clicking here. You can see in this time it will not copy it from the click shape, rather than it is forwarding this shape which was selected. So I hope you got this. Also, if I double click here, a dialog box popped up which is eyedropper options. So here is 3 options. Point sample, usually it by default it is point sample, but it is 3 multiply 3 average, 5 multiply 5 average. Actually it covered 3 pixel surroundings and 5 pixel surroundings when you select it. You can see all the eyedropper picks up. It is appearance, focal fill, focal stroke, character style and paragraph. It can copy all these options and it can apply all these options. So if I unchecked it, say unchecked it focal fill, you can see this shape was selected. So I am clicking here. You can see it only copied the stroke as the fill option was disabled. So I am now selecting focal stroke. I am unchecked it and I am holding down Ctrl, selecting this shape and clicking here. You can see it only copied the field. So in this way, it can also you can apply same character style when you have a typographic design and paragraph style. You have a paragraph, you can copy it from one paragraph to one, and also you can copy the transparency from here. So that was for this quick tutorial. If you like this tutorial, please subscribe this channel. Keep editing.